Hi folks, welcome back. Well, as you can see, I'm back in the garage. Sorry for the long absence, but obviously as I was alluding to on the last video, my camera's been playing up. Well, it packed up, so I've been waiting to try and get myself a new camera, so I finally found myself, got myself an old GoPro 9 Black, Hero Black. So yeah, I'm just messing about it today, just for the first time, just to sort of see how it goes. So while I'm on, I hope you've all had a nice Christmas, and I hope some of you are enjoying a decent break, because I know I am. I've not worked since last Friday, and it's been really nice just to chill about and do nothing all day, drink copious amounts of wine. So anyway, we're going to be back into it after the new year. I'll have another few days off. As I say, I'll put this video up tonight, which is New Year's Eve, and I wish you all a happy and prosperous new year in advance. And for all yous down under, yous are already a couple of hours into it, so yeah, happy new year to yous all. So what to look forward to? Well, I've been messing about today, and I've been messing with these seats, so just set that down there, and trying to work out how to wire them. So I've put some cables together, just as a temporary test, and I need to find out what wire tells the ECU that we're plugged in, because basically what happens is I put the power to the seats all function, as I'll show you in a second. I'll put the camera down, if I can find some way to put the camera down. Right, there you go. So I've just sort of rigged these up as a temporary. That goes in there, and that goes on there. Now we have our backrest, height adjustment. It's even got lumbar support, so you can see the going up, pushing my thumb out, and going down. So all works. I don't know what this one at the top is, absolutely no idea, but what happens is, there we go, after so long they no longer work. What you then have to do, disconnect the battery, put it back on again in a couple of minutes time, and it'll just back up again. So one of these wires here, obviously you've got, one's an airbag, it's got a side airbag in the seat. You can see the little tag there. So there's a little airbag in the seat. You've also got the seatbelt pre-tensioner, which I'm going to take off because I don't like the fact of having that sat by my side. And obviously you'll have seatbelt pre-tensioner. You'll have the bum on seat, which tells your seatbelt not fastened thing. So they have you the two actions. So I need to find out what these wires are, so I'll see if I can get a download from somewhere and get the proper wires, but at least I know the motors and stuff work. So yeah, that's basically that. New year brings a new year and a new project. Well, not a new project, an old project, but we're going to get back on with the Mini, the classic Mini. And I've got another little project to mess with. It was languishing in my friend's garage, so I'm going to have a mess with that as well and see if we can get that up and running again. And obviously it's typical Blackpool weather. It's throwing it down. No, it's actually stopped for a second. Look at the state of this. We've had storm after storm after storm. Arnie's languishing outside. So I'll get the seats done first, obviously. Once I get the seats, I can get them into the van, and then I can start with all the electrical wiring. So we'll see what's what. But the other one, I'll throw that over in its back, just to let you see what we're faced with here. I say that's the plugs, which are just sort of clipped in. You've got all the wires here. So you've obviously got, there's 3 earths there. There's 2 lives there. Also the red and white is another live. Now I'm assuming these twisted ones will be airbag, pre-tensioner and whatever, but I'll need to find out. And also, with this being the driver's seat, it has memory, so you can preset. So there'll be a power feed to that and whatever else. So again, it's all down to the wiring. If I can get the wiring sorted out, it's yeah. But we're starting to make head and the tail of the garage. I've moved the toolbox over. The welder's now down beside the garage door, and I'm still trying to put things back together again. And I say I've just put the seat up on the bench at the moment, charged this battery, which is actually the battery for the little Jeep. So yeah, anyway, as I said before, I wish you all a happy 2024, and look forward to back to doing regular videos in the new year. So I'll raise a glass to you all tonight, and hopefully you can do the same. Take care out there, people. Have a good new year. Ta-da.